Recently, BJP's newly appointed Uttarakhand Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat made very controversial comments regarding ripped jeans that women wear. Or his cabinet colleague Ganesh Joshi said, women talk about all the things they want to do in life, but the most important thing for them is to look after their family and kids. जी और कोई काम नहीं है ना लड़कियों को, है ना? Such thoughts, conservative beliefs and violence against women have made the matters worse. Several such reasons and factors have contributed to decline in women labor force participation rates (LFPR) in India. If you were to believe the reports, then India has one of the worst labor force participation rates by women. The LFPR basically tells us about the percentage of the total women within the working age who are seeking work. And let me remind you that this includes those who are employed and those who are looking for work or employment. So how bad is the situation? How bad is this decreasing trend of women labor and workforce participation in India? The female labor force participation rate FLFPR has decreased from 30.27% in 1990 to 20.8% in 2019 as per the World Bank data. And do you know that this women workforce participation has deteriorated during the pandemic? So the women's share in new payroll addition had fallen below 20% in August last year in 2020. As per this chart prepared by Udit Mishra on the basis of World Bank data, India has one of the lowest female participation rates in the world. Do you know what the figure is? India stands at 21% female workforce participation rate, one of the lowest in the world. The same article in the Indian Express says that around 79% of the Indian women aged 15 years and above do not even seek work. When you compare India with some other countries like China, US, Indonesia and Bangladesh, you will understand that these countries have 2 to 3 times higher participation rates for women than here in our own country, India. And no matter which group of countries you compare with, India still remains worse in terms of women workforce participation. Whether you take high income or low income, highly indebted or least developed, it is the same bad story everywhere. और ये जो इंडिया के 21% फीमेल LFPR फिगर्स हैं वो ग्लोबल एवरेज का हाफ फिगर भी नहीं है. This is not even half the global average of 47%. But why is women's employment declining in India? Ashwani Deshpande, who is a professor of economics at the Ashoka University, believes that the thrust of predominant explanation is that women are dropping out of paid work or the labor force either because of fear of sexual violence outside the home or fear of being stigmatized by the community that might see their work as matter of low status, unquote. There are several other reasons like deep-rooted prejudice about working women in India. For example, in 1977, as per a study in rural South India, when women work for wages, it indicates low family status. Some other reports suggest that families gain social status by putting women out of the workforce. भगवान ही जाने कैसा स्टेटस है ये. ऊपर से there is this widely held belief that a woman's primary place should be in the home. और भी बहुत सारे रीजंस है जिसके कारण वुमेन वर्कफोर्स कम होते जा रहे हैं दिन पर दिन, जैसे कि अर्ली मैरिज, लैक ऑफ फीमेल फ्रेंडली वर्कप्लेस, fears of violence and sexual harassment at workplace, among other factors. Please let us know what you think is the reason for this dramatic decline in the women workforce in the comments section below.